Hello, bookbinding customer. At Bind Design, we have a tabletop-perfect binder/padder that also mills the book block for deep glue penetration. Whether binding standard production or high-gloss stocks, this binder will do them all. Turn the machine on and let it produce. After turning on the main, make sure your red front safety switch is not pushed in. After about 25 minutes, the machine will come to ready.
The display will prompt you when the glue is hot enough to bind. We will change 3 different book sizes to show ease of operation. We will start with a thin book block. Put the book block pages in the carriage. You can open or close the carriage by pushing up or down on the black toggle switch beside the program panel. Make sure your sheets are all squared and tap down on the base before closing the carriage. Close the carriage by pushing up on the black toggle switch until it closes completely on your book block.
The carriage has manual and auto mode. The machine will adjust the stations to the book thickness. The machine will automatically set the milling station and the cover station to the proper book thickness. In the manual mode, you push the bind button. In the auto mode, the machine will auto-operate when a cover is in place. No pushing of buttons once set up if doing the same book thickness over and over.
Once you clamp the book in the carriage, put your cover in place. The machine will recognize the placement. Make sure the cover is centered properly with the book block. A sample run is necessary to confirm the layout before setting the machine to automatic on the carriage operation. Once your bind is set up the way you want it, just drop the book block in. The carriage will automatically take over. After the cover is in place, the binding process will begin. We are currently in manual mode, changing to 3 different book sizes. We are showing how the milling and cover station can automatically adjust to the book thickness once put in the carriage.
Well, there you have it. 3 different book sizes without a lot of setting up. This feature-rich machine offers full operation control. If we turn the milling station off and go to padding, we can produce on-the-spot peel pads without brushes and glues.
Just turn down the glue setting and apply a thin coat to the back without grinding and wallop. Instant peel pads.
All votes are in. This little binder can do it all. Let us help you with your binder upgrade. At EBM, we know bookbinding.